Let us understand the step-by-step process of performing Tally integration in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the Company Master form under the Admin module. To begin, you need to first check if the ERP go-live date is matching with the Tally data under the Company Master. Financial locking form for the selected company should be open. To download the Tally tool, navigate to the Export to Tally form under the ERP Admin module. Click on Get Tally tool. The file be downloaded automatically. Once the download is complete, you can view the Tally tool file in the Downloads folder on your system. Go to your DList folder and click on the Strategic ERP Tally integration tool to open the file in a pre-installed Java platform. In the Tally integration tool form, select the integration mode as either ERP to Tally, Tally to ERP, or import vouchers. Let us first understand the Tally to ERP integration mode. If you require the opening balance while fetching data from Tally to ERP, enable the necessary options in the Tally integration tool. If you want to fetch ledger and group data, ensure that the start date and end date cover a minimum period of at least 45 days. Enter the Strategic ERP URL, cloud code and token for integration access. The data for token for integration access will be fetched from Mobile Login Details form under the ERP Admin module. Enter the start date and end date for data synchronization. Select the name of company and project name. Data will be fetched from the ERP Admin module. You can generate the Tally server ID using the command prompt. Enter Tally server port number. Click on Connect Tally port. A pop-up message will appear to confirm whether the Tally server is running or not. Enter the Tally server company name. Ensure that the server name is copied directly from Tally into the Tally integration tool. To update opening balance for ledger account, select yes or no. Enter books beginning from date and click on Submit. Before submitting, a confirmation pop-up will appear. If Tally integration is performed for the first time, you need to fetch groups and ledgers from ERP. If the integration is done for a period of at least 45 days and it is not the first time, you can choose to fetch only vouchers in that case. Once confirmed, the voucher fetching pop-up will appear. Click on Yes. The Tally tool will load automatically. Once the Tally tool is open, you can import vouchers from Tally to ERP. Click on Vouchers. You can view different vouchers such as receipt, journal, sales bill, purchase bill, debit note, and credit note that can be imported from Tally to ERP. Some vouchers, such as delivery note, receipt note, stock journal, rejections in out, physical stock, inventory vouchers, attendance vouchers, sales orders, and purchase orders, cannot be imported from the Tally tool to ERP. Let us understand the accounting classification rules. The opening stock and the closing stock should be categorized under the trading account. Stock in hand should be recorded under current assets. The profit and loss ledger should be categorized under the profit and loss group, which is available by default in the ERP system. After completing Tally tool to ERP integration, you can record the following entries. Opening stock account debit to stock in hand. Stock in hand account debit to closing stock. In the following manner, you can complete the process of importing vouchers from Tally to ERP. Similarly, you can import vouchers from ERP to Tally. Select the integration mode as ERP to Tally. Here, you can pull groups, ledgers and vouchers. After filling the necessary information, click on Submit. The accounts group and ledger accounts must be the same in ERP as in Tally. If ledgers and groups already exist, the system will override the data. If not, new ledgers will be created as per the ERP. If you want to pull ERP-specific vouchers into Tally, select the integration mode as Import Vouchers, ERP to Tally. To perform this process, you must mandatorily pull groups and ledgers. The process of performing Tally integration is now complete.